Good morning, everyone. I'm doing a quick video. I want to show you how I use this kitchen tool to dry the paintings. So this is a pot and pan. That's how it usually sits in the kitchen, or it can sit like this. I place my paintings in here to dry. Of course, you can place one under here, on the table. Or I take the point and I place it first, and that way it gives it more room. For the 12 by 12 for the top shelf, I use one of these. This is a locker shelf. I think I purchased it at the dollar store. So I just place that on top, and that gives it a little bit more room to place the larger one. There's two here. I believe this one I purchased at Aldi's, and the second one I purchased at the thrift store. The thrift store is your friend. You'll find lots of metal shelves and things like this, or shoe racks that are, well, they have to be level, of course. Now today the sun is coming in, and let me just shine the light better. The sun is coming in, so you want to move your paintings out of the sun. Don't know if the sun will fade your paintings. So go to your thrift store and find lots of things that you can use to dry. They're really inexpensive. Brand new, they're about $15. But at the thrift store, you might find it for $3 or $5. I live in Philadelphia, and the thrift stores are getting very expensive. There is a thrift store called 2nd Avenue. It's about half a mile from my house. I could probably walk there in 10 minutes. I don't know, is that a good time or not? But if I'm rushing, maybe faster. But they're so expensive now, and people are complaining. Even the cashier said to me, hey, the thrift store is getting expensive and people are complaining. So, well, all prices do increase over time. But here's the way I can dry about 10 paintings of different sizes, and placing them together. You could, like closer. You could put another, metal thingy on top and have a larger painting. But I put these paintings here after they're dry for about a day. I leave them on my marble turntable up in my kitchen when I'm doing the pour. I leave them there for about a day. They do form like a little bit of skin on top. They're not moving anymore. So I make sure it's level. So these aren't drying right after the pour. It's about a day or maybe 2 days. So there you go. That's a quick video. Today's Saturday. I wish you all a great and wonderful day. Do something fun. Enjoy the weather. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.